Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2009 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. So from any screen, just click on the Navi, and then we can move across the bottom there. You've got destination, bottom left, so navigate to destination, click the center, address entry, click OK. Knock it down to the bottom menu, pulling the selector towards you, highlight postcode there, click on postcode, and then we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantley, Preston, PR. It's defaulted to numbers here, 5, 4, and that's it. That's as far as you can go. PR54. We can put the street in here now. So street, I need to go to, it will, once you've put a few letters in, it narrows it down each time. Get the O in, and Chorley Road's right at the top, highlighted. But alternatively, if it was any of those others, you could just turn the rotary selector, take it down, but we want Chorley Road, Chorley Road. Now, you've got start there, map, country, town, street, or number. If I wanted to take it further, I could put a number in, but I'm okay with that, so we just click start.
Your route is being calculated. Please follow the road.
That's it, that's how you set the sat-nav.